We have walls, and we're digging holes, and we're also finding new boarding for Leia. Welcome back. If you're new here, we are empty nesters Claude and Wendy. Join us as we build our dream home on 10 acres in Utah and various other adventures we enjoy along the way. A big shout out to Rita for commenting that she made it to the end of the video last week. Thank you, Rita.
Well, there it is, boys. That's the home theater coming to you soon. Hey, adventurers. You know what makes bacon better? More bacon. Breakfast of Champions. What are you doing, cutie? You're a good girl. So we're going to Home Depot. We're going to get an auger, drill some holes so we can install our new cameras. Let's go.
Look at your paws. They're huge. What a baby. What a big old baby. You got the best paws in town. Will she shake?
She will. Yeah.
Sit. Good girl. A paw? Oh, honey.
Duty. Looking for the Ryobi auger.
The fence post auger?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be aisle 4. Be careful. It can be dangerous.
Oh, God. I'm having second thoughts.
There you go.
Oh, one of you on each side, you play tug of war with us. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You got to play with a tiny dog, huh, Leia? Oh, it's a little bitty dog, huh? You don't even know what that is, do you? Look at the difference in the so cute.
We get 8-foot boards. Then I can cut one of them in half and sandwich it, you know, and then put it into the ground.
So,
Wendy always wanted to have one of these. I never knew that.
I know I'm weird.
If I would have known that, I could have put this in her stocking stuff. Place. Sit. Place.
Good girl. She definitely doesn't like that.
Oh, good job. Good job. Good girl.
Leia inspecting the site. All right, first rule of construction, gotta have your tunes.
Can you tell us what you're going to do?
Bluetooth connected.
Yes. What we're going to do is we're going to make some poles to mount the additional video cameras up here on the site. So we're going to dig some holes. We're going to drill end of these, we're going to actually screw them together, and we're going to make a pole. Got to go get some batteries. The batteries did not come charged, but I think we may have some batteries in the shipping container that are ready to go. If not,
We'll just have to run back home.
You ever heard the term SOL? That's what we would be, SOL. I'm just gonna sweep up out here. Do you see all the dirt out here? It's just terrible. Four bars, full charge. Look at that. All right. Yeah, well, this is the forms that they use to put together for when we pour the concrete. You can see that gap between those two walls. I'm pretty sure that's an 8-inch gap, and because all of these walls here are going to be 8 inches thick, and there's a bunch of rebar in there. We showed that to you before. But the concrete people will come and they will pour concrete all in there, and then they'll let that set up, and then the forms will come down, and we backfill all this after we waterproof.
It's a lot of backfill.
We have a basement.
So this is the dirt, that's the backfill?
Part of it.
Or is that the landscape dirt?
It's going to be mostly all this over here, and then we're going to pull a bunch of stuff out of here.
So this is the backfill dirt right here. We don't have as much backfill that's going to happen in the RV shed, right?
Not as much as we have here, but we will have a little bit.
Because it's not like it's a walkout base.
Correct. It's just a little bit of a foundation out here in the backfill.
Okay.
Probably about this high.
Gotcha.
But, you know, we're out here today, and we're still recovering from our sickness. And I'm just doing this work, and I'm starting to feel a little weak. So obviously we're not done yet, but we're getting there.
Yeah. So do you need to read some instructions first, babe?
Hell no, I don't need to read instructions. How hard can it be?
Baby.
Pull the trigger.
I don't like this.
You ready to dig a hole?
I guess. Really, you shouldn't read the instructions?
I already read them.
What did it say?
It said pull the trigger. It said hold on tight. Pull the trigger.
Like,
You have to be close to it.
yeah, but what if that thing gouges you?
Well, if that thing gouges you, you shouldn't be dealing with it to begin with.
Oh, gosh. Okay, so we're going to go right here? Or right here?
I think right in that corner right there. There we go.
Is it damaging your shoulder?
No. It's not hurting my shoulder, it's hitting my leg right here. So that's why I held it the other way. Nice.
Are we gonna put the wood in and then put a couple of rocks and then put wood in? I mean, dirt in?
I think we'll just put it in there and then put. Do we have a tape measure?
Not gonna know. Unless you keep one in your truck.
Close enough. Close enough. Tape measure. It's a Bushman's tape measure right here.
How you feeling, babe?
A little tired. It's a little crappy 2.5-inch saw. It's not really meant to cut this thick wood. Ooh, that was loud. That's some mad skills, mad carpentry skills right there. Look at that.
Nice. Good job.
That, folks, is what I call construction.
People are really going to be worried when we start doing stuff on the inside of the house. Wait, you guys are going to try to, like, actually do things in the house?
Yeah, we're actually going to subcontract people.
No, we are actually going to do some work ourselves.
I'm subcontracting Wendy to do the painting.
Well, I'll definitely do the painting as long as my shoulder can stand it. But if I start having shoulder pain again, yeah, no.
No, you're just going to have to push through it, babe.
Really?
Yeah. Suck it up, Buttercup, and push through it. Let's go.
Okay. Y'all heard it here. Spousal abuse.
Always got to have the essentials. Just never know when you're going to need them. So, in the comments, some people have asked us a few questions about, I don't know, I guess based on our background and some of that stuff, and we'll get more into that over time, but we do have 2 children. We are empty nesters. They're both moved out of the house. Our daughter actually moved out when she was 18, and our son basically moved out when he was 18 as well to start his college career. And then when he graduated college, he got married and he moved to Colorado Springs, Colorado. And you've seen him in the videos. You haven't seen our daughter too much yet. We haven't spent much time putting video together to show you guys her. And we will in the future, but there's a real good reason for it.
So we're going to bring you to our bedroom real quick, and we're going to give you 2 clues.
No. Just give him 1 clue. The other clue's too good.
Only if I flip it over. Okay, I'm just going to give you 1 clue.
We're going to give you 1 clue. If we gave you 2, it'd be too easy.
Maybe. So anyway.
So we'll get that information to you. You guys comment. You tell me what you think in the comments. The people that know us, you can't give it away. So not that very many of the people that know us watch our videos. But,
Yeah, I was going to say.
but anyway, yeah. If you do know us, don't spoil it for everybody else. But you can try to guess what our daughter does for a living. We will tell you that she lives in Brooklyn, New York, and she's quite happy.
Yes, she is.
And we're very proud of her.
Yes. As well as our son.
Yes.
All right, let's get this show wrapped up here so we can go home and
Recover.
recover.
It's terrible.
It is terrible.
But we're going to put the Starlink in this box, and we're going to attach this box to that post, and that way radio signals go through plastic a lot better than steel. And we have it in that steel box on the trailer for security, and to keep it out of the water. So now we're going to take this waterproof box. We are going to screw this box to that piece of wood right there. Yeah. And then we're going to put the Starlink in there, and hopefully that will feed the whole work site
Okay.
with some decent Wi-Fi.
And if it doesn't?
If it doesn't, we have other problems. We would need to stretch power someplace and put like a Wi-Fi router.
Yeah. So for our trip in April,
Yeah.
can you just carry that on the plane? Does it have lithium battery, or does it have any kind of weird stuff that you're not supposed to carry on the plane?
No, there's no battery in that.
So we could just carry it on the plane.
You could put it in, yeah, we could put it in the box and check it.
On it.
Of course, we're not going to have access to the site after that.
Oh, that's true.
Make one thing up for another.
Yeah. We don't need Wi-Fi over there, you know? We can just go to Amber's house. Amber's house is 20 minutes away. We can download some movies, right?
Yep.
We'll be fine. What's
They don't have Wi-Fi. They don't have cell service there.
I don't know, but what's our tagline, babe?
Unplug and then reconnect. You see, you can unplug, but then you have to reconnect. So,
Well, we're just going to be unplugged for 4 days, okay? No big deal. It's going to be nice. Oh my gosh.
no, it's all good.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
I know you are.
Welcome to RealLink. Please install RealLink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Got it?
Of course.
Yay!
I'm a tech genius.
It only took an hour.
You won't believe what I had to do to get it to work.
What did you have to do?
I had to hold the app over a little bit so that it would brighten up the screen, and then I had to hold it at the exact right distance in the shade, and then eventually it caught it.
Wow.
So my suggestion is the RealLink system is pretty cool, but something's wrong with the app. The app doesn't work very well to set them up.
But after that, they're good.
After that, they're very
it's just
good.
the setup that's...
The setup is wonky. I'm going to probably make a YouTube video on how to do it, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that has the problem.
I feel like you should have some safety goggles. That's not safety goggles.
Look at that.
Nice.
Perfect, huh? It's gonna be, you know, it's like my dad always said. He said, son, if you have the right tools, you can do anything.
That's true.
That's true. All right, so we got that done. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to have to unplug again.
Oh no.
So the internet just went down.
Does that mean you're going to have to reconnect and all?
No. And Bada boom, bada bang. All right, we'll get a little lock for that. Plastic.
What do you think, Leia? Want to give Daddy a high five or not?
Yay!
That's not.
Got the cameras configured. And we're going to go down now, get dirty.
Dirty.
We got to put all that dirt back in the hole.
Do we need a ladder?
Nope, I'm going to mount them and then we're going to put them up.
Oh, okay. Smart.
Work smart, not hard. You've heard it here more than once. You'll hear it again.
I know.
Come on, babe. Get with the program.
I'll walk.
Yeah, so go walk. I'll drive the truck. All right, semi-professional install. Okay, not even close to professional install.
It's okay, you're not getting paid.
That's true. All right, today's Monday. We're out here at the site bright and early, making sure everything's getting done. Well, not really bright and early. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
I promise you, we didn't just wake up.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of other stuff. It kind of made me excited because I looked over there inside the work site and they are building the doorway to my home theater. If you don't know by now, I'm pretty pumped about this home theater. So it's going to be pretty exciting. The other thing that I learned today, the guys that are they're setting the rebar that's going to go inside the walls of the concrete, and they've got this machine. It's got a wire through there, and it actually loops around and twists the wire for the rebar. I thought they did all that by hand, but they have a machine that does it. Work smart, not hard, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, that was pretty neat. I was like, hey, I'm impressed with that.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
After this, we're going to go bring Leia to a meet and greet. We're going out of town in April, and our usual place that we board the dog is filled up. So we had to find a new place for her. So today she has a little meet and greet. She passes the test, then hopefully they'll be able to watch her for the few days that we'll be out of town. So we'll bring you along that little meet and greet, if they let us video anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully she doesn't bite anybody.
What else do we have going on today? Nothing really. You can tell them we've worked out for the first time in like 3 weeks.
Yeah, we actually got a workout in, which we haven't been able to work out. And doesn't really play well for neither my wife or I. Our mental state deteriorates when we can't work out on a regular basis.
Yeah.
But the good news is that I think we are definitely past the sickness that we had. Saturday was really sketchy. Sunday was better, and then today, the best day that we've had in a few weeks.
Yeah.
So if anybody out there has gotten this sinus headache, sore throat, congestion thing, with all the fatigue that goes along with it, we definitely have a lot of empathy for you, and we hope you get better.